Hi everybody, Pat here. I'm back with another MEP 701A generator. Very similar to the others that you may have seen the videos on eBay and YouTube. This one here, I want to show you the meter, switches, features on it. And then in here in just a little bit, we're going to load bank the set and you'll see it how it performs from 1500 watt baseboard heater to a 3000. Another heater added, then on the third heater will be 4500 watts. You see how it performs. First I want to come in, show you the meters and switches here on the front. Here's your voltage, your AC voltage. Coming on over is your hertz. We like to see them set at 60 to 61 hertz start with, and then you load it. Want to maintain it near that 60 hertz. This is the percent of load meter, and you'll see that needle move as I load the set. This particular unit has 653 hours on it. Here are fuses for your convenience outlet or receptacle. That's for just light loads such as a saw, a drill. Don't put too much in a heavy current draw on this. It's not designed for that. Here's your circuit breaker. You'll see me, I'll move that up and down, transfer the voltage to the terminal lugs here in a bit. Here's your preheat off, auxiliary, fuel, run start. Otherwise it's known as the master switch. And the that noise you hear right there, that is your auxiliary fuel pump. And that can be used for an off-site or offset fuel tank. And here's your circuit selector. I have it set on 1, 2. Coming over to your voltage adjust. You can fine-tune your voltage level. And here's the current selector. Want to drop down this door here. Let you have a look inside. As you can see, the wiring, the relays, everything is real clean inside this set. There is your voltage reconnection switch. As you can see, I have it set on 240 for the volt bank or the load bank. Do not move this switch while the set is running to change between phases. You'll damage your set. Pull back. You can see the wiring on the back side of the meters, and as you can see, everything's real clean, nice shape. Close this back up. You bear with me. I want to fasten the fasteners back, so that way when the set starts, the door will be good and closed. Now we'll move on down. I want to show you where the throttle is. Open up this door. Here I have it set, it's just a push-pull. I have it set for the 61 hertz. Turn it to the right or clockwise will increase the engine speed, thus the hertz will be up. Counterclockwise for just the opposite. Close that back up. I don't know whether I mentioned before, but this is the plate to show you. It tells you how to start the machine. Pretty straightforward. I just showed you that with a master switch. We'll move on around the set. Coming down, here are the leads going up to the terminal lugs, and here is a grounding wire. Always make sure that your set is grounded. Come back up. I want to note that on the latch, the handle is missing here on this set, as well as over on this side here. We'll fold this door down, and you can see where the leads come up, and then they are attached to the terminal lugs with the corresponding phase. Here is the priming pump. Under here is your fuel pump itself. Here's the fuel lines. Want to make sure we get a shot of the oil filter. Brand new oil filter from Napa. Moving on over, here's the end of the air cleaner. In good shape, filter is. 2 brand new 12-volt batteries from Napa. Remember, this is a 24-volt set, or 24-volt system, but I modified it to have 2 12-volt batteries, which makes it a lot handier. We'll close this back up. Want to show you where the connections are for your various settings. Make sure that you fully understand that and how those are to be attached. Now I'm going to come on around and open up this access door. Under here is the end of the air cleaner, the horizontal view. Of course, down in here again is another view of the batteries. Here is your onset fuel tank, diesel fuel. Holds 5.5 gallons. This particular set does. You'll lock things back up here. There's a plate with identifying all the fuel system. Come on around, pull back a little bit so you can see this side of the unit. Get another shot over here. Everything's in real good shape. Now I'm going to move in and I'm going to start the unit. Off. You hear that auxiliary pump again. Baseboard heaters, 1,500 watts piece. There's the first one, 1,500 watts. One on, and here comes another one. 1000 kW. Of load. Now I'm going to go back over and put one more on and get this going to 100% capacity. But I know right on the bullet. No black smoke. That's a good too. One, there's two, and here's the third, 4,500 watts. Over 100% capacity.